The world of business, where S&P Global Ratings has upgraded the long-term issuer credit ratings of 10 Indian financial institutions, including 7 banks and 3 finance companies. The move comes after the agency raised India's sovereign rating to BBB/stable A/A2 from BBB positive A3. Now, this marks the first upgrade in 18 years. For perspective, the agency cited factors like strong growth momentum, effective inflation management, and structural reforms, such as the insolvency and bankruptcy code, for this decision. Samsung has commenced laptop manufacturing in India at its Greater Noida facility in Uttar Pradesh, expanding its production capabilities just beyond smartphones and tablets in the subcontinent. Now, this initiative follows the government's push for electronic self-reliance through the Make in India initiative. The company has already produced its first batch of laptops and plans further expansion. While Samsung is a significant player in the smartphone and tablet markets, it's yet to establish a strong presence in the competitive laptop segment, dominated still by brands like HP, Dell, and even Apple. A judge on Monday fined Qantas Airways 90 million Australian dollars, or around 60 million American dollars, for illegally firing more than 1,800 ground staff at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the penalty is in addition to the 120 million Australian dollars, or 78 million American dollars in compensation that Australia's biggest airline had already agreed to pay to its former employees. Australian Federal Court Justice Michael Lee said the outsourcing of 1,820 baggage handlers and cleaner jobs at Australian airports in the late 2020 was the largest and most significant contravention of relevant Australian labour laws in the country.
It is the most significant industrial outcome in Australia's history, and it sends a really clear message to Qantas and to every employer in Australia. Treat your workforce illegally and you will be held accountable.